What's up everyone, and welcome back to the mathematical mindset. So right here guys, we have a tricky math Olympiad exponential equation and we are to solve for the value of x. So right here guys, before we get started, you want to simply click onto the link in the description of this video to join my Telegram channel for math discussions and math quizzes Friday. So right here guys, let's get started. Alright, so guys, let's get started. So we have the question to be 7 raised to the power of x plus. Now we can easily express this to be 7 raised to the power of 2 or raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of 3 or raised to the power of x, and this is equals to 14. But if we have a raised to the power of m or raised to the power of n, this is equals to a raised to the power of n or raised to the power of m. So we have this to be 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 2 plus 7 raised to the power of x or raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to what? 14. So at this point we want to say let 7 raised to the power of x be equals to m. Then we have this to be m plus m squared plus m cubed, and this is equals to what? 14. But we can easily rewrite 14 to be equal to 8 plus 4 plus 2, right? So we have this to be m plus m squared plus m raised to the power of 3, and this is equals to 8 plus 4 plus what? 2. So the next thing we want to do is to simply rearrange this equation and set it to 0. So doing that, we have this to be m plus m squared plus m cubed minus, so we have 8 plus 4 plus 2, and this is equals to 0. So we have m plus m squared plus m cubed minus 8 minus 4 and minus 2. All we have to do is to multiply the bracket by minus, and this is equals to what? 0. Now I want to simply rearrange. So we have m raised to the power of 3 minus 8 plus m squared minus 4 plus m minus 2, and this is equals to 0. So we have m cubed minus 8 can be expressed in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 3 plus m squared minus 4 can be expressed in terms of 2 as 2 raised to the power of 2 plus m minus 2, and this is equals to 0. So right here I want to apply this identity that says if we have a raised to the power of 3 minus b raised to the power of 3, this is equals to a minus b multiply a squared plus ab plus what? B squared. And if we have a squared minus b squared, this is equals to a plus b multiply a minus b. So we want to apply this property right here. So, and from here we have that a is equals to m and b is equals to what? 2. So hence from this point up to this point we have this to be m minus 2 multiply m squared plus m multiply 2 plus 2 squared plus we have m plus 2 multiply m minus 2 plus m minus 2, and this is equals to what? 0. So from here we have m minus 2 multiply m squared plus m multiply 2 is 2m plus 2 squared is 4 plus m plus 2 multiply m minus 2 plus m minus 2, and this is equals to what? 0. So we want to simply factor out the common term, and from here we have m minus 2, m minus 2, and m minus 2. So we have m minus 2 to be the common term, and if we factor out m minus 2, we have from the first part we have m squared plus 2m plus 4 plus, if you factor out m minus 2, we have m plus 2 to be left, plus if you factor out m minus 2, we have 1 to be left, and this is equals to what? 0. So we have m minus 2 into brackets m squared plus 2m plus 4 plus m plus 2 plus 1, and this is equals to 0. We have m minus 2 multiply m squared plus 2m plus m will give us 3m plus 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 1 is 7, and this is equals to what? 0. So at this point we have that m minus 2 is equals to 0, and we have m squared plus 3m plus 7 is equals to what? 0. So we are going to start from the first part. So we are going to say for m minus 2 equals to 0, we have that m is equals to 0 plus 2 and m is equals to what? 2. Now I want to simply recall at the beginning we said let 7 raised to the power of x be equals to what? M, right? So we want to recall right here. So I say recall that 7 raised to the power of x is equals to what? M. So from here we have 7 raised to the power of x is equals to what? 2. Alright, so at this point we want to simply take the log of both sides. So taking the log of both sides, we have log 7 raised to the power of x is equals to what? Log 2. But from the logarithmic property, if we have log a raised to the power of b, this is equals to what? B log a. So we have x multiply log 7 is equals to what? Log 2. So divide both sides by log 7 to isolate x. So we have this, we cancel this, we have that x is equals to log 2 divide what? Log 7. Applying this property that says if we have log a divide what? Log b, this is equals to log a base b. So right here we have that x is equals to log 2 base what? 7, and this is the first value of x. So we have been able to solve for the first part right here. So let's simply solve for m squared plus 3m plus 7 equals to what? 0. So we're going to say at this point for m squared plus 3m plus 7 equals to 0. Now I want to simply apply the quadratic formula, and we have the quadratic formula to be given as m is equals to minus b plus minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac divide what? 2a, where a is equals to 1, b is equals to 3, and c is equals to what? 7. So we have that m is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of b square, which is 3 square, minus 4 multiply a, which is 1, multiply c, which is 7, divide 2 multiply a, which is 1. We have that m is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 3 square is 9, minus 4 multiply 1 multiply 7, we have it to be 28, divide 2 multiply 1 is 2. So from here we have that m is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 9 minus 28 is going to give us minus 19, divide what? 2. Alright, so we have m is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19 multiply minus 1 divide 2. But if we have the square root of a multiply b, this is equals to the square root of a multiply the square root of b. So we have m is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19 multiply the square root of minus 1 divide what? 2. But the square root of negative 1 is equals to I, so we have m is equals to minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19i divide what? 2. So we have the value of m. Now I want to simply recall that m is equals to 7 raised to the power of what? X, alright? So at this point we are going to say recall that m is equals to 7 raised to the power of x. So we have 7 raised to the power of x is equals to, now the value of m is minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19i divide what? 2. Alright, so at this point we want to take the log of both sides. So taking the logarithm of both sides, we have this to be log 7 raised to the power of x is equals to log minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19i divide what? 2. We want to simply apply the logarithmic property that says if we have log a raised to the power of b, this is equals to b log a, right? So we have x log 7 is equals to log minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19i divide what? 2. So at this point we want to divide both sides by log 7 to isolate what? X. So this we cancel out this. So from here we have that x is equals to log multiply minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19i divide 2 divide what? Log 7. So from here we have that x is equals to log minus 3 plus minus the square root of 19i divide 2 base what? 7, and this becomes the second value of x. So we are done finding the second value of x. So the next thing we want to do is to verify to show that our answer is actually correct. So to verify, we have the question to be 7 raised to the power of x plus 7 raised to the power of 2x plus 7 raised to the power of 3x, and this is equals to what? 14. So we have that x is equals to log 2 base 7. So we have 7 raised to the power of log 2 base 7 plus 7 raised to the power of 2 log 2 base 7 plus 7 raised to the power of 3 log 2 base 7, and this is equals to what? 14. Alright, so at this point we have this to be 7 raised to the power of log 2 base 7 plus 7 raised to the power of log 2 raised to the power of 2 base 7, and this was gotten from this property that says if we have b log a, this can be expressed as log a raised to the power of b. Alright, so that is how we got this, plus 7 raised to the power of log 2 raised to the power of 3 base 7, and this is equals to what? 14. So we have 7 raised to the power of log 2 base 7 plus 7 raised to the power of log 2 raised to the power of 2 is 4 base 7 plus 7 raised to the power of log, we have 2 raised to the power of 3 to be 8 base what? 7, and this is equals to what? 14. But from the logarithmic property, if we have a raised to the power of log b base a, this is equals to b. So hence we have this to be 7 raised to the power of log 7 base 2, we have it to be 2, plus 7 raised to the power of log 7 base 4, we have this to be 4, plus 7 raised to the power of log 7 base 8, we have this to be 8, and this is equals to 14. 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 8 is 14, and this is equals to what? 14. So left hand side is equal to the what? Right hand side. So we have been able to verify this right here. So guys, this is how you can solve this nice maths Olympiad exponential problem, and we have been able to find the value of x. So with this guys, I'm going to see you in the next video, and if you have not yet subscribed to the mathematical mindset, please do where to click onto that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up.